All right, welcome back. So today is another day in the garage, and I was just out here piddling, and I was like, I better make a video. So today's video, it is ADHD Central. Yes, that. Anyway, so right now I'm getting ready to jack up the Honda. It needs an oil change. So oil change on that. And I've got so many other things going on right now. Like oil change on the car. I'm working on the wife's truck. Who knows what I'm doing? Yes, I have drywall in here because I'm also installing French doors in my house on the wife's library. What else am I doing? I'm probably going to make a little mount because the windshield of the truck is inside the truck still, and I can't put the driver's side door on because the windshield's in the truck. So I got to figure out where to put the windshield. I might try putting it up. I think I'm going to try putting it up there. Building the mount for it, sticking it up there, just get out of the way so the kids don't break it. What else is going on? I don't know. Who knows what else I'm going to start doing. I might mount a TV. So, TV. I've got a small little, I got a small little 32-inch TV I want to mount out here so I can kind of listen to YouTube videos while I'm piddling in the garage. And got a lot of cleaning to do because this is all a mess. That's all a mess. Everything's out of order. So yeah, just see what happens today. It's just one of those days. Do you ever have those days like that in your garage where you just kind of go out and just kind of wander everywhere? You start one thing and you don't finish it. You move on to something else and you thought about this. Go over here and then 99 squirrels takes 3 nuts to build a house. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. Let's get started. So because this Honda's so low, my jack stands are being occupied. Jack stands are being occupied by my wife's truck. So we're gonna use the next best thing. These things. Let's shift down. That's in 3rd gear. There we go. Up we go. All right. Now drain the oil. And poop, I gotta take care of that too. My jug just decided to spring a leak. I should clean that one out, or did I just get another one? I don't know. I'm probably gonna clean that one out. Let's do that. Now we can go back to draining the oil out of the car. Didn't even come loose. How rude. Man, whoever changes the oil last, tell you what, hey, got that plug plenty tight. We should tell them not to tighten that plug so tight. Oh wait, it was me. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even get a drop on my finger. Like a pro. Alright. Stick that somewhere. I will surely forget it. And then let's see. And what am I going to do while I wait for that? Let's work on this windshield. Let's see. So we're going to measure this windshield here. An idea. That says 24. What do I got over here? Oh yeah. If I set her flush here, set something flush at the bottom of that shelf there, make a little hook there, and a little hooky doodad over here, I think we can set that windshield out of the way. So I'm gonna start working on that. I'll show you what I work up. Okay, so this is what I've devised. See that dealer whopper there? That's gonna be my hanger. Get two of them. See, another one over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna take these, I'm gonna stick them on there, probably up just a little bit higher, something like that. Yeah, something like that. They're temporary, right? I just put them together, some screws, and I may change them. The more that I think about it, the more I think I might change them. Okay, they're changing. Story of my life. Why? 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 Just like that, the windshield's out of my way. And hopefully I don't break it. So I'm sure tomorrow I'm gonna need something that's back behind that. Anyway, either way, it's in there now. So these little brackets worked out pretty good. They just hold, keep the bottom from falling out. This one is just completely, totally sketchy in there. But it works. It works. So that is now off the front seat of the truck. So my kids climb in and out of this thing, and I'm always paranoid of them breaking my windshield. Now I'm sure they'll just start throwing things in the garage and break the windshield. It's gonna be a miracle if that windshield makes it in the truck without being broken. Anyway, we're changing oil. Oil's done draining. I'm gonna put the plug back in. I'm gonna pull the filter and then fill it up with oil. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, filter's changed. Now the most important part. Putting oil back in. Don't forget this step. Not a good day when you don't put oil back in the car. But we are doing it now. See if I can get this. Oh, yeah. There we go. That feels like 4 quarts. How did I do? Just a little over 4 quarts. So, takes 5 quarts and you put 4 in. This would be a quart low on your dipstick. Takes 4 quarts and you put 5 in. You gotta figure out how to get a quart out of it. And I don't remember how many quarts this engine takes. So, we're gonna let that settle back down to the bottom. We're gonna drop the car back down. All right, oil's in it. I'm gonna start this thing back up. Start this thing up. Fine, oil light went off, so got oil pressure. Probably enough time to check the oil. Beep it out because I left the keys in it. I know. Alright. I don't know where I put my rag. There's a rag. There we go. Check the old oil here. And looks like this car takes 4 quarts. So We are full of oil. Not forget my light under the hood. I've forgotten that thing in the door one time. Not that one, it was a different one. I was doing some work on the door and like inside the door panel. I don't remember what I was doing. I was doing something. And I forgot the light inside the door panel. Could not find that thing forever. I just couldn't find it. And then like, I don't know, a little while later I was doing more work inside that same stupid door. I hate doors. Lo and behold, I found my light. Imagine that. All right, oil changed on that. Windshield's out of the way. What other mischief can I get up to? Probably gotta do some cleaning. I need to get rid of the drywall. That doesn't need to be in here. I've got a extra 2x4 that doesn't need to be in here. I need to clean up my dust over there from cutting boards. And guess what I can do now? I can mount the door on the driver's side of this thing now. Maybe I'll do that. Door's heavy. It's probably dinner time. Anyway, I don't know. So, I don't know if I've given you an update on this truck recently. Let's do that real quick. So I've got this fender on, door on. This fender's all body worked. That door's all body worked. And basically done. I might do a little bit more sanding on it. Engine wise, it starts up beautifully. Love it. It runs great. Let's see. Go around this other side here. I can get that door on now. That's my replacement door. Because I had to replace the door and the fender on this side. That's my replacement door. I can get it on now. The windshield's out of my way. That was a big thing that caused me brain damage. I'm just trying to figure out what to do because the windshield's in my way. I can't put the door on. And, you know, my brother came by a while back and he's like, why don't you just make a mount for the windshield to get it out of the way? I'm like, good idea. Not sure where I'd put it, but hey, it works. Anyway, I had to replace my brake master cylinder. Did bench bleed on that thing. Now I just got to bleed the brakes all the way around. I've got tires and wheels are ready to go. I got them mounted up yesterday. They're ready to bolt on. Hood's body work done. This fender's kind of on. I can't finish putting it on until I get the door on. I got to get the door on because from YouTube videos I watch, they say start at the fixed point, get the door set, get it lined up, and then move your way forward. So I'm kind of trying to follow that advice there. Yeah, I get the door there. I got to strip down the inside of this door because this is a power window door. So I got to take all the parts off of the other one that is a non-power window door and put inside of this one. I think it'll work. It looks like it'll work. I don't know if it'll work or not. Yes, I'm converting from power windows to non-power windows because I don't want to do all the wiring. Probably super simple and plug in. I'm just not doing it. Yeah, it's about where I am on this truck. Haven't had a time to work on it in forever, but hey, that's where we're at. So I think it's probably time to go inside and cook dinner for the kids. And I don't know, maybe I'll come out and put a door on. I don't know. Either way, thanks for watching.